First things first, find a flat area with a clean surface with no stones, no sand that can take your front wheel away. The next step is mark your acceleration point and the braking point. To mark those 2 points, you need to find a thing or on the location or you brought it with you. So I found this. That's gonna be my acceleration point. The distance between the 2 points needs to be long enough so you can reach up to 60 kilometers per hour, and that's gonna be enough to roll a Stoppie. Acceleration area is important because you can review your progress. We are so close to the action part of the tutorial, but before we come to that, we need to check the front tire, which is actually the most important part when doing the Stoppies. You need first to check if the tire has enough of profile on it and if it's not too old, which means it doesn't have really the grip that you need while doing the Stoppies. Now when we check the tire, we need to check also the tire pressure. When I was on the beginning of my stunt career, I was riding with a low pressure around 1.5 bar. That gave me more stability on the Stoppies, but they were a lot shorter. Now when I know how to balance, I put higher pressure around 2.3 bar, and now I'm rolling much. Before we come to the actual rolling Stoppies, we need to warm up the front tire. How we do that? We do it with repeatedly braking hard around 10 to 15 times until the tire gets a bit of temperature. A quick advice, the head position. Never look down, but always into the direction where you want to do the trick. Elbows never stiff, but a little bit flexible. Never on the tank like this, but a bit on the back. To control the balance while you are rolling, lock the bike with your legs. First practice is to practice your pickup. Accelerate at the speed you feel safe and pick up your real wheel at the low angle. Not on the high angle, but the low angle. And repeat this millions of times, step by step. The typical rookie mistake are the high angle endings, and that's a dangerous thing and not the point of the Stoppie. After you're feeling comfortable with picking up your rear wheel, you're ready to roll some Stoppies. Now we're gonna learn the rolling Stoppies. First, we're gonna start with a shorter acceleration distance and a shorter Stoppie. After the first rolling Stoppie and after you feel safe, we're gonna increase the acceleration distance and roll longer.
Slauz. Watch, learn, repeat.
We are now moving to the last braking point, which is about 50 meters and max 60 kilometers per hour, and that should be enough for a nice long Stoppie. Keep the rear wheel spinning, and that will give you more balance while rolling the Stoppie. Thanks for letting me know which trick after the wheelie you wanted to learn. That's the Stoppie. I hope I could give you some good tips, and be careful. Once again, this is the most dangerous trick that you can learn on a street bike. So be safe, do it step by step, and don't rush. So let's go find some hills and roll some long Stoppies.
Enough for me, never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Ship thrill, ship
Man, the 250 Duke is a perfect stoppie bike.